Yeah, I know this is not home theater, but I bought this anyway, so I might as well review it. BlackVue Cloud 4K UHD for front and back. The model number is DR900S, 2-channel for, again, front and back. We'll see what happened. Because I have zero skills, we're going to Ultra Auto Sound today. It's kind of far in Mississauga, but that's the only place I trust with my car.
A few moments later.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived. So this is the windshield without the camera, before the camera is installed. And this is the back. Pardon the dust. In order to have the camera running all the time, even when it's parked, I put this Power Magic Pro. Also from BlackVue. This makes the camera work for 12 hours straight, and or whichever comes first when the voltage of the battery drops below a certain point. This way, the car will never be run out of battery accidentally from the camera usage. So here are the cameras. This is the back camera, and this is the front camera post-installation. Next, I download the BlackVue app to my phone, connect the app to the camera, create an account, so everything that's happening in the car can be viewed using my phone through the cloud server. Using the app is not that easy because it's very confusing, and you can try to do the same thing 3 times and it will yield 3 different results. The Power Magic Pro stopped working after about 15 minutes of usage, so that needs to be replaced. So not a good start. Also, the voice status indicator, it's so garbled, so low in volume, and so unclear, it makes it pointless. Lack of LCD display for something that's more than $600 Canadian, it's just simply unacceptable. Nevertheless, this is still a very powerful and a very good dash cam, just not at 600 Canadian pricing. At the current price, it's simply excessive.